Are you really afraid of the essay writing for qualifying the UPSC paper? Yes, I feel so. That is why OSN Academy and Dr. Anurag Agarwal sir, an expert for UPSC optional English past 27 years, hereby affirms you, promises you to make you excellent in this essay paper. But yes, you have to be timely conscious for undertaking this project under my guidance. I know, my dear students, that lack of essay writing, lack of specific content, no practice sessions, lack of evaluation, dearth of actual teachers who can give you feedback, guide you one-to-one. Now, all these things will not affect you, because I am going to teach every student who lacks this essay writing skills under my guidance. You all know that this essay paper plays a vital and integral role in making you qualify the UPSC final exams or finally the interview, the totality of the marks. So I would be giving you the topics, the answers you will be writing, the content, the guidance, the skill, the training, and one-to-one interaction, so that you may be able to know what mistakes you are doing, what level of content you have, how you have to focus on topic, how will be the flow chart of the content, what should be the clarity, what should be the description, what should be the neatness, and ultimately the language, the grammar portion, which also takes an integral part. So I will be giving you various themes, various classes, various guidance. The important areas in which we will work together will be environment, urbanization, economic sector, religious sector, philosophy, judiciary, media, computer science, AI, character, Indian culture and society, and so much more. And the practice session is must, dear students. हमेशा याद रखिए कि समय होत बलवान, समय, टाइम इज सो वैल्यूबल दैट इसको ऐसे मत प्लान करिएगा दैट फर्स्ट आई शुड क्वालिफाई प्री, देन आई विल गो फॉर द मेंस, देन आई विल राइट आंसर राइटिंग. नो, it is my personal experience and personal guidance to you that the essay writing should be a part and parcel of every student's life. जैसे आप मॉर्निंग में उठ करके यू डू ऑल योर मॉर्निंग एक्टिविटीज, यू टेक a cup of tea, you go to the temple, or you do some religious activity. In the same way, you have to take this oath that I will write 2 paragraphs, 4 paragraphs, 1 page, 2 page in 1 day or 2 days, and then see what will happen. Believe me, you can do it and you will do it. The only thing is that till now you did not have that special guidance. Now, Professor Dr. Agarwal sir is going to mentor every student who needs this thing. Thank you.